So this is all the payment methods or local payment methods we support. We have then credit cards as well. So if you click that, you go to another page called card agreements. And here you can see all the card acquirers we support. Now I'm on a test account, so might not be 100% true, but we support 14 different acquirers. If you have an acquire agreement with any of the supported ones, you can enable that one. If you don't have an acquire agreement, you can get an acquire agreement simply by going to settings. Normally you will see a pop-up banner here as well where it says you can apply for a card acquirer. But if you don't have one, you can go to settings and you can go to applications, and here you can fill out this form, which just asks for the regular stuff when you sign up for any bank and KYC is needed. So you can fill out this form, submit it, and then you would have an acquire agreement. And you can get this acquire agreement within minutes. Once you sign up this form, you will get an email with a contract you need to sign. And once you've signed that contract, if everything goes right, you will have a live agreement under your card acquirers. So here we will automatically enable acquire for you based on the card acquiring agreement you applied for. And then you would be able to receive credit card payments. So once the card acquire agreement is set up, you can go ahead and enable the payment methods where just a credit card agreement is required, stuff like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and so on. And at that point, you would be able to receive credit card payments and mobile payments. And if you want further payment methods, PayPal and so on, you would be able to enable those as well.